their appetites for a taste of entrepreneurship. Here's ABC's Rudy.
All right, tell me what you did for the step 1 of our taco food truck project.
We started by making a logo and naming our taco food truck.
Okay.
We decided over menu because hers was chicken spicy taco. Logan didn't have one, so he didn't really have one, but I did the boss taco, or the taco boss, and we chose the taco boss in the end. We made a logo with a taco with glasses, and it looks like a taco boss. So we made it that our logo.
Okay.
Then for step 1, the other step we designed a taco truck, and we chose number 2, which is decked out in tacos and everything.
So this will eventually be on your taco truck for your
Yeah.
final project. Okay, can I see your design? And that's the one you went with. Okay, awesome. All right, so tell me what you did with the menu portion of our project.
Okay, so the first step we did was we made like the condiments, what we would have for the condiments, and then we did the toppings. And the main meats, like we would have eggs, hamburger, pork, like mostly meats, but for eggs we had a breakfast sandwich, so we put eggs on there. And then we did all the shells that we thought would be good and people would like.
We also, when we were done with that, we had to think of our specialty tacos and designer tacos to put on our menu.
Okay.
And when we were all finished, we put everything on here, like the prices and the food.
You want to hold that up? And then you head back too. Okay, great. All right, so after our menu, what was the next step of our taco truck?
Well, we had to look at all the requirements that we needed for the floor plan, because the floor plan was next, and so that's what we did for that.
So what were some of the items you needed to include in your truck?
The oven, the sink, window and order counter, the exit of the back of the truck, and we need somewhere to stand, so a walkway in the middle of the truck.
So all the essentials basically for a food truck? Okay. After that, Callie, what did you do?
We technically designed the floor so that like we have the sink and the oven and everything that he just said on the floor.
Okay. And Patrick, what else did you need to do?
And then for the walls, we kind of looked at the stuff on here and then tried to draw it on here as best we could get it.
So they'd like match up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they'd match.
And eventually, what do you have to do with that floor plan? What are we finding at the end of our...
You have to do area and perimeter.
Okay, good.